Okay, so in this video I just want to talk about a screen capture tool and kind of what we're going to do for research. We're going to build up an idea folder that's going to have ideas that we grab from all over the internet, and not only online but offline. I'm going to show you that as well. So Snagit is the tool that I use. It's right here. It's I think it's 30 bucks. Oh, 20, wait, 24.95. I don't know, I bought it a while ago. This is a good one. You can snag images very easily. There's also free versions of, like, basically you just need a screen capture tool, and then you're going to capture images and you're going to put them into an idea folder for your niche. So that's the basic goal of it. So I use Snagit. That's what I suggest. It's very easy to use. Just got a little panel here. You hit a button, it starts a new capture. I'll show you like this. I don't know if it'll let me do it right now. So I could capture this, then hit save. And then what it does is open up over here in its own little editor. And from here I can save stuff and create my idea folder. So say I wanted to save that image to my idea folder, I just go File, Save As, and then I can save it as a lot of different formats. And you can do a lot of different tools on it too if you really wanted to. But for our purposes, we just need to build up an idea folder, and I do that using Snagit. So you can use Snagit, or you can use any free screen capture tool that you like. Alright? Just had to shoot this video before we get into the actual research.